Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. In this video I continue my 5-part mini-series named One Sketch, 2 Cards. This is the second part. Today I choose an MFT sketch number 431. For the female card I decided to use green cardstock and the green watercolor pattern paper as a base and a frame. I also use a floral paper. I use double-sided glue tape to stick the base and the frame together. Before sticking it, I like to check how much space should I leave for the frame and sew the corners. For the little parts I use liquid adhesive. For the sentiment I choose a Mirror Shine laser cut pre-made sentiment. I bought it in several colors. This time I pick a green one, and I punch out a nice flower from cardstock. I'm following the sketch fairly closely, except that the banner is a bit lower in my cards. Here is my finished female card. For the male card I chose black cardstock for the frame and the dark grey pattern paper which looks like the asphalt under the wheels. I also use a black and white pattern paper with tire grunge texture. I use the same materials for sticking, double-sided glue tape and liquid adhesive. For the sentiment, this time I choose a silver one. It looks like chrome mirror parts on a motorcycle. And as a finishing touch, I stick a 3D motorcycle sticker on the banner. Here is my finished male card. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in part 3. Hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.